Hey friends, before we get started, if this video helps you in any way, please like, share, and subscribe. It truly supports the channel and ensures you never miss any new updates, deals, or step-by-step guides. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a working coupon code for Parallels Desktop for Mac that gives you a discount on all major editions, Standard, Pro, and Business. I'm Shane, and if you're looking to run Windows or Linux on your Mac, Parallels makes it incredibly easy. The Standard Edition is great for home and personal use at $99.99 per year, offering 8 GB vRAM, 4 vCPUs, and full support for Windows apps, including Excel and Linux VMs. If you're a developer, creator, or power user, the Pro Edition at $119.99 per year includes up to 128 GB VRAM, 32 vCPUs per VM, a command line interface, the new Parallels AI package, and the ability to run graphics-intensive apps and multiple VMs. And for teams or organizations, the Business Edition at $149.99 per year adds centralized license management, CI/CD automation, provisioning tools, volume licensing, and more. To claim your discount, just click the link in the video description and apply the coupon code listed below at checkout. Right now, it gives you 35% off, and it will always apply the best available discount going forward. It's fast, it's legit, and it saves you real money. So check the description, grab your deal, and enjoy powerful virtualization with Parallels. Thanks so much for watching. Your support means everything.